India is going through a massive transformation. Our manufacturing industry in the time to come expected to become very large. When you will have about $1 trillion manufacturing industry, it would create enormous amount of opportunity for everybody associated with manufacturing, particularly cutting tool industry. The change which is happening in cutting tool industry is the growth in manufacturing is coming not from only the traditional industry. Several new industries are coming up and they are bringing a very significant volume of machining and manufacturing. One example is we're just scratching the surface on mobile manufacturing. This itself has created an unprecedented demand for new set of cutting tools which were not popular in the country, called submicron or a miniature type of tools to machine aluminum, to machine titanium and other type of materials. So the change is not only volume increase, change is also about new type of material, need for a new type of new generation of cutting tool in the market. So market will grow. As the market grows, two segments will also grow parallelly. One is the organized branded segment of cutting tools. The other one, which will probably grow even faster, would be the tailor-made solution providers, who are globally, this segment is very largely dominated by MSME. MSME will also find a huge amount of opportunity to sell tailor-made tools for individual industry and applications, which will be the space available for them to grow in a very big way. When a market is growing, all the eyes and focuses are going to be on India. This would also mean that huge amount of increase in commoditization of product and also global competition entering into the market. But all of us, needless to say, need to stay very competitive, very customer oriented to stay relevant in this growing market. ICTMA as an association is certainly helping the industry to create awareness, to showcase them the opportunities that are coming up in the country and helping the industry to build capacity to meet the new demand and new opportunities in the country.